Here's what will happen to you if you keep cracking your knuckles. Many people enjoy this process, while others find it irritating. Which group do you belong to? Let's first understand why this amazing crunch occurs. It's all about gases. The joint fluid boils due to maximum joint stress, and a small gas bubble forms in the joint capsule. Due to a sharp change in pressure when you actually crack your knuckles, this gas bubble burst. Although orthopedists, for example, have their own version of the origin of this crunch. They say that the sound is made by the ligaments, which begin to crackle when they are suddenly interacted with. And who should we believe? Clinical studies, for example. They have not confirmed any harm to human health from cracking knuckles.